Sentences with action verbs. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
She eats breakfast.
She eats breakfast.
They go to school.
They go to school.
He works at a bank.
He works at a bank.
We read books.
We read books.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
She likes pizza.
She likes pizza.
They play football.
They play football.
He watches TV.
He watches TV.
We listen to music.
We listen to music.
I study English.
I study English.
She teaches math.
She teaches math.
They visit their grandparents.
They visit their grandparents.
He drives to work.
He drives to work.
We cook dinner.
We cook dinner.
I call my friend.
I call my friend.
She opens the window.
She opens the window.
They close the shop at 6.
They close the shop at 6.
He brushes his teeth.
He brushes his teeth.
We clean the house.
We clean the house.
I write emails daily.
I write emails daily.
She wears a blue dress.
She wears a blue dress.
They travel on weekends.
They travel on weekends.
He takes the bus.
He takes the bus.
We exercise in the morning.
We exercise in the morning.
I buy groceries weekly.
I buy groceries weekly.
She finds her keys.
She finds her keys.
They need help.
They need help.
He wants a new phone.
He wants a new phone.
We prefer tea over coffee.
We prefer tea over coffee.
I remember our meeting.
I remember our meeting.
She waits for the bus.
She waits for the bus.
They enjoy the movie.
They enjoy the movie.
He studies hard.
He studies hard.
We plan our holidays.
We plan our holidays.
I understand the instructions.
I understand the instructions.
She helps her sister.
She helps her sister.
They share their toys.
They share their toys.
He believes in himself.
He believes in himself.
We need to buy a gift.
We need to buy a gift.
I prefer reading to watching TV.
I prefer reading to watching TV.
She dreams of traveling the world.
She dreams of traveling the world.
They wait patiently.
They wait patiently.
He cares for his pet.
He cares for his pet.
We enjoy hiking.
We enjoy hiking.
I listen to podcasts.
I listen to podcasts.
She studies every day.
She studies every day.
They work together.
They work together.
He speaks 3 languages.
He speaks 3 languages.
We love our family.
We love our family. Thanks.